The difference is I run businesses. If I ain't employ you, then what your business is? I have staff roll up like what the business is.
Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, this is another makeup tutorial. So I actually have 2 vlogs that I'm working on, but I'm not done with them in time. So I said, let me give them a little quick makeup tutorial. And by the title of the video, this is gonna be a how to put on your wing liner and your lashes. And I'm actually gonna shout out this YouTuber. I know I really don't do any shout outs, but I was watching her video. Hold on, let me make sure that I get your name correctly because she's always supporting me. Tatiana Joseph, I hope that I'm saying your name right. I apologize if I am not. Girl, I love your channel and I see that you be supporting me too, but shout out to you because I did see your video and I was like, let me get my behind up and help my girl out. So I'm gonna show you guys a tutorial of how to put on your wing liner and your lashes. Okay, so without further ado, y'all make sure that y'all like and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So first things first, I just have a basic beat on my face. Just foundation, highlight, lip gloss, that's it. Oh, and I did my eyebrows, that's it. So first, I like to do my wing eyeliner. And the hack to that, you wanna make sure that you have a pencil. I use black, so use a eyeliner pencil. And then also keep some Q-tips handy because just in case if you mess up. And I do have a mirror right here in front of me, so if I'm looking down, then that's exactly what I'm looking at. What I do first is I get my pencil and I like draw the line in the wing of how I want it to go, or like where I want it to go. Tip 101. So I start off mainly like right here in the center of my eye first. So we're gonna go center, I'm gonna close my eye just a little bit. Center, draw it over like that. So let me zoom in. Center, draw a line over until I get to the end. Y'all can see that little definition. So we just kind of defined it just a little bit. Haven't done anything else to it. So then I'm gonna drag the line over, bring it right on over to the beginning of my eye. And then for the wing part, I'm going to start drawing it out. So I'm gonna start bringing that outward to kind of like create my wing and where I want it to go. And honestly, you don't even need to have a wing for every single makeup look that you do, but sometimes you just want a little extra. So I've been doing wings since middle school. So I kind of like perfected it and I kind of know like how I want to do. This eye compared to this eye, like do we already see it forming, coming into place? You want them to be sisters, but like not really twins. So this is how the other side looks. So then I like to look in the mirror and I'm like comparing them. I'm like, okay, as y'all can see, I kind of brought this one out a little bit too much. So then like if I need to correct it, I'll take my Q-tip. Your Q-tip is like your like eraser. So you see how that kind of just went away like that? Erased. Okay, so next you want to get liquid eyeliner. So I'll get my liquid eyeliner and I'm gonna leave all of my products in the description box down below, everything that I use. So I'm gonna get my liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna start from the beginning of my eye and then I'm gonna like work my way out. And this liquid eyeliner is great, it's amazing. You don't need too much, one little glide and you're good. So then we kind of got our little outline of how we want to do that. So then I just fill the rest in. And if you mess up, you can always, because since it's liquid eyeliner, you can always just wet it and then come in and then just fix it a little bit. But I try to get it like while it's still wet. So that's one side of how I like to do mine. Like I say, it doesn't have to be perfect. Let's go ahead and do this side. So you could just look at them, be like, do I like them? Y'all, don't have my glasses on, so I'm like squinting, looking, because baby, I can't really see. I'm like, okay, I kind of like it. I got like something right here though. I'll clean that up a little bit. And you just look. I think it looks fine. I think I dried this one out a little bit too much, but honestly, if people be in your face, then that means that they're too close. If they're noticing stuff like that, back it up. Okay, so after you do that, next we're gonna go ahead and put on the lashes. It looks kind of weird, like if you don't blend in your lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara on first. Now that that is on, we're gonna go ahead and get our lashes. As you guys know, I have a beauty brand, so I'm gonna be using my lashes. This is the style Alluring, my beauty brand, Certified Beauty. And then I'm gonna do two methods for y'all. Tweezers and no tweezers, because I really don't use tweezers. I used to, but I don't use them anymore. Okay, so first, I'm gonna open up my lashes, and then we're gonna pull them out the box. First thing you wanna do when putting on lashes is always measure them to your eye. So you're gonna go from the outside of your eye to the inside of your eye and measure your lashes. So kind of like that. And then also lashes will, all of them, some of them don't, some of them are supposed to. They automatically come with like the little sticky stuff on the back, like the girls who know it, they know what I'm talking about. So yeah, they should be able to stick to your eye like how mine is just sticking to my eye perfectly. So yeah, once you do like this, you can like look in the mirror and be like, okay, like I like this. Sometimes it's too long. If it's too long, then you always want to cut from this end, cut like the little snippet or tail off from the end. So a lot of people, I don't know if y'all could see that, like the ends right here. Some people don't like that on there, so they cut them off. Me, I really don't mind. Sometimes it just blends in with the black, so we just keep it there. So I like how this looks on my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lash glue and just put it along the strip of the lash. So once you've already had the glue on the strip of the lash, go ahead and just wait until it gets a little bit tacky. So for my glue, it'll start to look clear. Like y'all see how it looks like white right now. So mine will start to like turn clear, and then that's when I know, okay, start applying the lash to your eye. So we're just gonna wait just a couple of minutes. The trick to putting on lashes, dun, 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 dun. You just take your mirror. Oh, hold on, let me zoom out. So you want to take the mirror and look down at the mirror. So that way, like, you won't be looking directly up and it'll be hard to put on the lashes. So you take your mirror, you look down at your mirror, and then you start from the outside. So I'm holding my tweezers in the middle like this. Start from the outside of the lash, looking down, then put it on. Then you just got to move the tweezers. So I'm gonna just keep moving them to like the front. And then I take my fingers, push them on. And I just push them on, and I'm still looking down the whole entire time, y'all. So I just make sure that that lash is on there. Feels like it's on there. Blink a couple times. Do I like how it's positioned? There you go. So that's how I put my lashes on. So that's how I do with the tweezers, and I'll just show you how I normally do it, because I'm kind of just used to putting them on now. Just hold them with my fingers, and then I just look in the mirror and I just set them right on top, going up and around, making sure I like where they're at. I kind of like to do it like while it's tacky and still wet, that way I get to like slide them around, making sure that I like how they are positioned. And then I rebuke whatever's over there. Whatever y'all got going on, keep that over there now. I'm trying to shoot a YouTube video. Child, sometimes you gotta talk to the things that be just moving in your house, I'm telling you. So yeah, just slide them around. I like how they look. And boom, we have a nice wing liner and some lashes, okay? And don't ever doubt yourself, ladies, or if I have guys watching me, okay? I know it says I got this, but y'all got this. Y'all got this. This is the final look. Like I said, once you keep putting on lashes, you will get used to it. But for those of you who are new to putting on lashes or doing any type of wing, I don't know if people still do wings. I love me a little wing just to add a little bounce. Like I said, I'm not doing anything. I'm actually about to get ready to go to work. I'm not doing anything. This is a simple glam look, and I just threw on some gloss and lashes. Y'all see how this looks? Just a basic look, and just a little bit of lip gloss, lashes, and a wing liner made it into this. Y'all, this is the final look. And y'all tell me, because you know, I reply back to y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all think. If y'all have any questions, make sure that y'all leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to your girl, okay? And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.